No one you know.
Hepatitis.
Oh my god! Are you kidding me, dude?
Alright.
Get that. Dude, this is a two-way street. Oh my god, is this guy fucking...
It feels like it falls a bit flat. So instead, it's a dead giveaway if you're able to see someone's horny glow, but I think this guy's just a tweet talker or whatever.
He doing? Bro!
He probably almost talked her into that, right? Yeah, maybe he convinces her she's giving off some sort of horny glow.
You gonna do it again?
Horny. Yeah, the girl just might be taking it a little bit more
okay.
serious than the guy was.
What are you doing? Now perfectly lined up with this one.
Why are you doing this?
Oh my god.
What the fuck are you doing? Okay.
Save up to $1,212 on this exclusive LG kitchen package with Craft Ice at the Home Depot. How doers get more done. Offer valid September 29th through October 19th. U.S. only. See store or online for details.
Hey, Nisa, how do you get to the top?
Calculating. Proceed to 1959. Take a hard left in East Africa at the 71 Safari Rally. To your right.
You know what I haven't heard in forever? What? The fucking Ukrainian Eurovision song. Was it Ukrainian? Which one was the Ukrainian one? It might not be Ukrainian. Which one? The fucking one that... Okay, I don't think you have a lane, my god. What the fuck are you doing? Wow. Damn, dude.
During the war, the first lighthouse keeper, J.P. Rademüller, sometimes spelled Radenmüller, Rademüller, or Rademüller, a German immigrant to Upper Canada, kept watch at Gibraltar's Point.
It's not low yet, but it's gonna be.
Obviously his Halloween costume, I guess, but he may have had a little too many fireballs and got into some disruptions by the cops in California. There's always one great side effect of Halloween is the mugshot.
Oh my god.
That's a full ass red light.
Yeah,
dude.
it sure is.
Development in it. As soon as it hits a critical mass, it like starts accelerating, and then one day it'll be like, oh, we put a chip in someone's brain, and it makes them a little smarter, and then in a year it'll be like, you are an idiot and incompatible with human.
On that road? Yep. It's Christmas Eve, and we're stopping at green lights. It's a green light, dude. They're not crossing right now.
How could I love you? You know the words to all my serenades.
Fucking red light.
Those pretty lights. How could you love me?
Okay, that's fine. High energy.
Not open.
No.
Oh. You can't go. There's a fucking truck there.
Jesus Christ. Fucking crazy person.
Very immature. Very, she wants.
Oh my God. Seems like he's very impatient, but he's not an asshole. Woo! Wow! Well.
That's what you get, bud, I guess.
Yeah, but I'm just like... Oh, that's what this fucking ramp is. Okay. But again, if I could live somewhere like this, I'm sure I'd have a lot better connection with the city. For sure. Hey, it's not too late to apply to meet you. Oh my God, bud. Will you just move over then? What are you waiting for? All the fucking time. There's nobody there. Yes. Oh.
Christ.
Well, he tow truck. He doing stuff.
Yeah.
He got his lights on.
But still.
That's why he's allowed to do that. Okay, that's not allowed to happen though.
You know.
Iowa.
Fucking Iowa got cut off.
What are you doing? Damn, that truck is flying.
Wait.
That's okay. That's the wrong way, my guy.
Did he?
Yes.
Yeah.
What the fuck? How did he manage that?
He just went on the wrong side of the road.
It was like really jank, not that good. But he goes like, yeah, you hearing that? I'm like, yeah, I'm hearing it, man. I kind of like it. Yeah. But the thing is, like, that's the state of where the technology is at this point. But as soon as that started coming out,
Like, you got to see the difference between him when he was taking medication and him when he's off his medication. When he's on his medication, he's an incredible person. And like, go. Now I'll do it. Whoa, buddy. Jesus. Jesus.
Do something else, bro.
Fuck!
Jesus Christ.
I think I'm a role model to anyone who asks. Teacher,
Love our catch up. I feel like there's more to talk about. I know, but like what? Like, oh, we could talk what the fuck happened to me this morning. What happened this morning? I had to go to the dentist this morning at 7 a.m. And I came downstairs because like I have a rack with under washer and dryer.
Figure it out.
I just haven't made upstairs, but they're clean, they're hung. And I separate two shoes.
Oh, that's why.
Subscribe now to always be the first to enjoy the horror show.
Wait, hold on 1 second. I'ma leave finish, but where jumpers jump, and I know you've probably seen us on TikTok. You know, the two Filipino boys talking about conspiracy theories. So if you guys like conspiracy theories, ghost stories, unsolved mysteries, and just